get to see you all the way until Monday, this day. Okay, let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job. Okay, let's sing our days of the week. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's sing our months. Ready? I have my pointer stick. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! Okay, it's time to count. Are you ready to count with me? We'll start with this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and today is number 5. Great job, friends. Today is Friday, June 5th. Okay, since it's the last day of the week, we're going to take our alligators out. Are you ready? Get your alligator. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Not so quick, little chick, 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 chick. Not so soon, baboon. Ooh, 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 ooh. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play. Bye, friends. See you next week.